Why do we want to merge these two? Because robotics does not have the capability of becoming smarter, while AI is not optimized for interacting with the hardware.
So this is one of your drone strikes.
Yeah. I moved back to Germany in 2014 with the goal to join the German armed forces.
What was the motivation?
The second Bali bombing happened actually in the restaurant of my very best friend. I was very angry of the people who did it, but also angry of the world for not doing anything. I decided, all right, how can I contribute my life to fight global terrorism? So my first milestone was actually algorithms and data structure. What do you need in order to understand that? First, you really need to know.
How was it like being in the special forces?
So the process goes from 9 months to X years. There's only one rule, is that you cannot quit. I still remember in the Höllenwoche or Hell Week, they gave everyone a red card. So if you pull out the red card, that's it. You will never be invited ever again in your life. Wow. Basically, code taught me how to learn rather than what to learn.
Did you learn programming at any point?
Zero programming. But the mentality from being a special force candidate, I really studied for around 80 to 90 hours a week.
How do I know if I like something or not?
The first sign will be